A considerable number of residents within the Lake region are still shunning COVID-19 testing after presenting symptoms of infection of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Civic education has been touted as the best way to beat the stigma around COVID-19. And as Laura Otieno now reports, the revamping of community engagement might just be the key to not only improve the compliance levels of containment measures, but also stir community effort towards combating the virus.
With stakeholders mulling the possibility of cessation of movement in and out of the Lake region, a silent phantom is creeping. One that is fanning the spread of COVID-19 as residents shun testing over fear of posting a positive result.
Housing spaces where people...
Esther Acheng is a COVID survivor. Having battled the disease in March this year, the community, she says, is yet to recover from the trauma it incurred at the onset of the pandemic, especially the inhumane burial of James Oyugi in Siaya in April 2020.
So part of it is that I think the first wave, when it came in, the way it was managed, also had the sort of similar stigma. And if we destigmatize those kind of things, then people will just go for treatment. Because when sometimes I tell people I had COVID, people are saying, "Apana unadanganya," but I said, yes, I did.
But even as some battle stigma and go for testing, the practicality of home-based care is another nightmare, as most homes in areas such as Manyata and Nyalenda, which fall under Kisumu Central, that has been bearing the brunt of Kisumu's high COVID-19 positive cases, depend on shared amenities. A factor which, according to community health worker Mary Ger, contributes to patients living in denial and some shunning testing altogether.
Unamwambia mtu aje-isolate na anaishi kwa room moja, for example. Wana share bathrooms, wana share view, for example. Sasa mtu ule hujui utam-advise vipi aje-isolate.
This is a time when government needs to learn and improve on this and have spaces where in the near future, if something happens, there's a place, a defined space where people can actually be contained just for purposes of recovering.
And as the Lake region continues to increasingly record high numbers of COVID-19, civic education is touted as the best way forward to ensure that members of the community get tested and seek treatment for COVID-19. Laura Otieno, Citizen TV, Kisumu County.